Hello and welcome. Impress Training is excited to unveil our revamped website and lineup of innovative courses to help individuals and organizations upskill, upgrade, and refresh skills to prepare for the future workplace. With all this talk of generative artificial intelligence, or Gen AI for short, what better way to introduce you to the technology than by using it ourselves? We don't just talk about the future, we live it. This very video utilizes generative AI technology, providing you a glimpse into the transformative potential we can provide you. Gen AI is going to have a profound impact on the way we do business and perform tasks in our daily job roles. We've already begun to see major productivity improvements, new jobs roles, and exciting new ways industries are applying these new skills. But we haven't forgotten the vital human element. We partner with only experienced instructors who possess real-world expertise and translate it into practical, high-impact training, allowing you to walk away and apply it back at the workplace immediately. You might be feeling the pressure to keep pace in a rapidly evolving world. We get it. At Impress Training, we understand the anxieties around staying relevant and navigating digital transformation head-on. That's why we're at the forefront, leveraging cutting-edge technologies like AI to craft dynamic, future-proof training experiences. Instead of generic, outdated programs, we focus on practical applications. Forget freeware that won't translate to your real-world job. We equip you with industry-standard platforms and skills you can use from day one. Whether you're an individual seeking to upskill or an organization empowering your workforce, we ensure you learn the best and most practical use cases of these tools. This is just the beginning of our journey together. Visit our revamped website today and explore the exciting possibilities waiting for you. At Impress Training, we're all about empowering people to think ahead.